Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add language to translate app on iPhone. So what you need to do is first of all go to your settings, and from here you need to swipe down until and unless you find the option called translate. As you can see this, so from here you just need to tap here once, and after that you will see this screen. And here, as you can see, downloaded language, just need to tap here once, and from here you can download any language you want. So for example, if I want to download French, just I click here, and here as you can see the download process is starting. And if you want to download German, you can download from German here as well.